things. Yes, what are those three things? Yes, it will load the instruction.
Load
Yes,
non-static numbers, execute non-static initializers, and execute program written instructions.
programmer written instruction. Very good, Rajni. Excellent. And what is the purpose of the constructor?
The non-static member of the class will be loaded into the instance of class.
Yes, and
And if there
Compiler will
is a
use.
non-static initializer in the class, they start executing from top to bottom.
yes, if there is any non-static initializer in the class, they will execute. How it will execute? From top to
Top
bottom.
to bottom.
Yes, and third,
Program return instruction of the constructor gets executed.
yes, very good. It means if we have not created any constructor, if the programmer has not created any constructor, what will happen? The compiler will add a default constructor in that scenario. Okay, so we will see, we have already seen, did we see any default constructor? Yes, we have already seen all the programs till now. What we are doing, the constructor is being made by the compiler, because constructor is for initialization. Yes, it is for use for initialization. Yes or no? We are doing it here. Yes, and for after loading everything. Yes, in the body part, whatever we are loading, whatever non-static initializer executing, programmable written instruction, it is executing. All these things are the initialization. Yes, so
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is why everything, whatever done in the constructor, if the programmer has not written, it will be done by the compiler. So till now, whatever program we are creating, for that, the compiler is creating a default constructor. I showed you yesterday. We don't create how compiler will create it in the class file. Do you all remember? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
constructor has two parts: no argument constructor and parameterized constructor. Yes, in no argument constructor, default constructor is different because it is constructed by compiler. Okay, but in sense of, or based on programmer, if you will say, it is of two types. So no argument and parameterized. So no argument constructor, a constructor which will not have any formal argument. We will not put any formal argument. That is no argument constructor. Okay. Now I explained you yesterday about no argument constructor. The syntax will be the same: access modifier, and the class name. But in the formal argument, we are not putting any variable, any data, any value. Okay, and modifier will always be non-static. And then inside the body of your no argument, you can write your code. Okay. Okay, guys. So here also I explained you the loading process of the object. Yes, everything I explained you. So for that, for your simple no argument, I just want to explain you with one program. So we can do that program. Anyhow, we don't need this now in our programming, but I want you to know how a non-parameterized, or you can say no argument constructor works. Okay, so let's do a small program for that. Just a second, let me share the screen. All of you can write it down along with me. Okay. Okay, so now my screen can be shared. Okay, edit plus. Fine. Yes, new page. Every time you are creating a program, you have to take a new page. Okay, so how we will do it? How we will do a no argument constructors? We'll take a simple program. Okay, so let's take test. Okay, and then what we are going to do? We are going to simply create a non-static variable. Okay, so I will take int b simple. Okay, I have taken a non-static. What is this? Non-static variable. Okay, non-static variable. Okay, if I will initialize something here, like suppose like this, then it will become non-static single line non-static initializer. Yes. Okay, so now I will take the non no argument constructor of the class. Okay, so what we require access modifier. So my access modifier is public, so that this method can be used anywhere. Okay, and then guys, what I will write, the modifier is not required because it is anyhow non-static. Okay, we don't need to specify it. Now what I have to do, I have to give the class name. Yes, what is the class name? Class name is test. Come on, tell, speak. And then after that, we have to give the parenthesis, but there will be no argument. Okay, now we will open the body of constructor. In this, I can write anything. Suppose I can print what I have taken. I have taken here one non-static variable. That also I can print. Okay, so I will print ln b. Okay, okay, now I can also specify system.out.println, and I can write that it is a no argument, argument, okay, constructor. Okay, I've just written like this, so you can understand. Okay, it is a no constructor. Now I will close my no argument constructor. Okay, now in the main method, I can start, I can write, I can simply write, okay, main, okay, main starts. Okay, main starts. Okay, and then simply I can create an object here. Yes, in the main method only I will create the object. So what is the class name? Test, and I am taking one object is equal to new and test. And what test? Now tell me, did you understand here? This is being called. Is it written in the class? It is written in the class. So the compiler will not create a default constructor because already we have created no argument constructor. Yes, all of you understood this? No. What? How I have written reg? Okay, no argument constructor. Okay, now as soon as I create a block of memory, yes,
Hello,
a block of
hello,
memory,
ma'am.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking in between.
Am I audible now? Because the weather is it's rainy,
Ma'am,
so maybe
you
it's
are
raining.
audible, but in
You are
It's
between,
audible.
sometimes your voice it just stops and then suddenly it comes in.
oh, so
I don't know.
I'm really sorry for that, but it's not in my hand because here it's raining. So maybe because of the obstacle, connection is not poor little bit, but it's Wi-Fi. So I think okay, I'll try to be more loud so you can be you can understand me. What you all have not understood, just ask me once again. Anyone who has not understood anything, please ask me, because that voice thing it's not in my hand. Yes, so I cannot change it. You tell me where I have to explain again, I will explain again. Yeah, I'll just have a look. Anywhere you stood, ma'am, your voice is breaking in between. Yes, ma'am. Now audible? Everyone, all 50 members, you all can hear, listen to me carefully. Yes, yes, no breaking. Okay. Okay, guys, here it's raining, so it might happen that in between again my voice might break. So you have to inform me, okay? Because right now when I'm writing, I cannot see this message board. Okay, I have to switch to the other screen, to this screen, okay, to this platform to see your messages. So if my voice is breaking, just come up and tell ma'am. When the new keyword will create a block of memory, what is the task of your constructor? To load all the members, okay, all non-static members. Then what is the work? Second work, to execute. If there is any non-static initializer, then it will execute, and then the programmable written instruction that will be executed. Okay, so now guys, here let me make it non-static initializer. Okay, non-static initializer. Because I have initialized this initializer. Okay, now here, as soon as the compiler see that already one constructor is created here, so it will check in the whole program. So in the program, it will get a constructor already written by the programmer. So what it will do, the compiler will not create any default constructor, because compiler can find that there is a constructor written by the programmer inside the class. So what will do, it will start loading. What will do the compiler, the constructor will, what constructor will do, it will start loading the all the non-static members. Okay, and then what it will do, it will execute the non-static initializer, and then what will it do, the programmable written instruction, these two will be executed. This work it will do. Okay, so let me take, okay, now my main ends here. Okay, okay, so I have written a small program here. Okay, to explain you no argument constructor. Okay, so now I will, yes, now I will save this.
Ma'am.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Spelling, system spelling.
my voice is not audible.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am,
System
audible.
spelling in program.
What?
System spelling.
System spelling is
Main
System
method,
spelling.
you
class
didn't
system,
written
and
as
outer
Spelling.
spelling.
S is
Is
captain.
System. Class,
Oh,
class.
yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Okay, yeah. So I will write, because
And
this file like already exists, so I will write test one. Okay, oh, test
Ma'am,
one.
now again, mistake, ma'am.
ma'am, test is
again
copied
mistake.
actually in between.
Oh, yeah, system. Okay,
Uh, okay.
Ma'am.
so instead of Control S, I am putting something else. Yeah, so I will write test one. Okay, and then I will save it. Yeah, then what will I do? I will go to the CMD. Yes, okay. It's opening. Just wait. Okay, is it visible to all of? Is it visible? So I will call the
Yes, ma'am.
compiler, and then I will call the class, and then I will give the extension. Okay. So now this is my source file, which will be compiled. Now the compiler will compile it, and public test no argument return type require. Oh, okay. Test one. I have to take test one because my class name is test
Test
one now.
one.
Yeah, that is
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Okay.
Below, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
again you have to change over there
Ma'am, I have to
Yeah.
change in main method.
in the
Oh, yeah.
program.
Yes. Good.
Test one is not
Yes,
available.
good. Wow, you all are understanding now program.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So now let me compile again. Okay. And now what we are doing already, compiler will create the class file, and now we will execute the class file.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So what happened? What the constructor did? Tell me. First of all, main started. Okay, first of all, the JVM will give control to our main method. In main method, the first line is printed. Okay, next, what we are doing, we are creating here one object. Yes, so with the new keyword, there will be a block of memory created in heap area, and with the test one, which is the constructor, what will be constructed? Object will be constructed. How? First of all, it will load all the non-static members in the object, in that block of memory. Second, it will execute a non-static initializer if it is present in the program. Third, it will execute the written instruction. Okay, and then the new keyword will give the address of that block of memory which is in the heap area to this reference variable obj. Okay, and when this constructor is doing its work, before that the compiler will check if in the program there is constructor written or not. Yes, so it is written, and here you can see in the constructor I have written two programmer written instruction. So these two will be executed also. Okay, and then after that the keyword will give the address to obj, and then main will end. Understood, all of you? Clear
Ma'am,
to all of you? All of you clear how this how this no argument constructor will work? All of you, please do this program quickly, everyone. Do this program quickly, everyone.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the above method is called as a non-static method and also constructor method.
It,
Yes, ma'am, that one.
it's construct static method. If the name of the method is class name, it means it is a constructor. Okay, and in the parenthesis there is no argument, it means it is no argument constructor. You will call it constructor, and constructor is a non-static method. Okay, clear
One,
to every one of you?
ma'am, tell it once again, ma'am.
I have already explained you. So here the constructor, the method, if the method name, you find method name as class name, it means it is a constructor. And when in the argument, okay, in the formal argument there is no argument, then it is known as no argument constructor. I have already uploaded the notes. Please go and check. Yesterday only I uploaded. How many of you have not seen?
Okay, ma'am.
Yesterday only I have uploaded. Yeah, please check, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Done
Thank
this
you.
program? Yes. Everyone done this
Ma'am,
program? Done, all of you? Yes.
hello, ma'am. When the main method when the main method initialize the first line of the main start, after that the main method gives the control to the constructor body. That
Yes,
is
the main method, no, see, main method, yes, I'll explain you how it works. I will do all the, this thing, what is that called?
actually
Tracing.
that
Yes,
area I just lagging.
yes, I will tell you. Here, we are inside the main method only. We are inside the main method only, okay? When we are creating a new block, what happens? When we are creating the new block, what will the test constructor will be called. Now, initially, we were not calling it in the program. Yes, the compiler was creating it. Yes or no? The compiler was creating it. Yes. So what will happen?
Yes.
The main method will pause for a time and it will go to the constructor part. Yes, the constructor will
Yes,
load everything, execute your non-static initializer, and then when programmable written instruction is written, what will happen? It will come, it has to, the control has to go
Okay.
from main method to constructor part because it is written in the program. It is a block of memory, you can see. So what will happen? It will go to that part. Okay, so a new frame will be created for your constructor. Okay, Is it
Okay,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah. So
Uh,
yes,
uh,
the main method will pause for a time and then it will go and create a frame for test one, and then everything will happen, loading and all everything. Okay. And then what will happen? It will again after executing everything, it will come back here and the new keyword will give the address to obj. And then it will
yes,
go and it will execute the last line. Would you ask this question? Okay, all of
but
you
but ma'am,
understood?
the
Yes, but
new, new keyword gives the address to the obj, but
yes.
here I do not did not gives the value to the obj. That's we are doing in the non-static area. Non-static area. We are doing the value to the reference variable that obj dot. We are creating the input the value in obj dot p1 like obj dot what is it? If I'm doing the in pin area obj dot brand equals to we are putting the value, and after that we are use the obj part, but there is we are not doing the not doing the any kind of input the value to the reference variable. So
No, 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 no.
how
Here, no, no. Listen to me. Here, you have to every time this new keyword will give the address to obj. Every time it will give. Yes. Every time this new keyword will give the address of the memory block which is being created in heap area to this reference variable. That is why the reference variable, that is why we are assigning now. See, I have used assignment operator. So you are assigning the value which is here to this variable, which is of this type, test one type. Understood? Can you repeat your question again?
I understood.
Understood? Okay. I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
not written obj dot anything. I have not used.
Yes.
You will get confused. That is why. Go one
Hello,
by one. Okay. Yes, yes, Jagdish.
ma'am. For suppose if we did not create a own our constructor, that means programmable written constructor, how will be the default
If
constructor
we are
will not?
not, yes, yes, yes. So if we have not written our constructor, it means there is no programmable written constructor written inside the constructor. Yes, yes. So it will not execute that. But if we have written the programmable written instruction inside the constructor, okay, it will execute. And when it will work when there is no argument or parameterized constructor. So these all are the work of constructor. Okay, if default constructor is created by the compiler, then of course the two work will be done, but the third will not be done. Why? Because there is no programmable written instruction. Understood? So now you all are understanding everything. Clear, Jagadish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any more queries? So this is how you find out question. Good, very good question. Any more question? Ma'am, can you show once how the default constructor created? I cannot show the default constructor because it is created by the compiler. Yes? Okay. So if you want to see, when I'll explain you, if you want to see, suppose I have not written this constructor. Okay, I have not written this constructor, but I have, see here, I have created the instance of the class and I have called the constructor test1. So what will the compiler do? Compiler will create it inside the dot class file. The dot class file we cannot see. Just wait. Okay, test1. Okay, wait. I will save it and then I will compile it. Okay, and then execute it. So main starts and main end. Okay, the programmable written instruction is not executed because we did not create it. Now guys, look at here. Can you see test1 class file? Okay, So here in this bytecode we cannot understand, but it is already created. This test1 constructor is already created by the compiler. Okay, test1 constructor is already created by the compiler. We cannot understand this code. Okay, we cannot understand this code, but in our main method we did not create any test1, but now it is here. Yes, so initialization is done. Yes, init means initialization. Okay, so don't go that much, you will not understand all this. Okay, so first of all you understand all this. So that is why now if I have written my constructor, and I have written the two programmable written instruction also, now what will happen? Now if I will compile and now if I will execute, so I am getting the programmable instruction also. Got it? Did you all understood? Everyone? Understood everyone? All of you? Yes? Tell me guys, understood? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's move quickly to the second part. Modified as the applicant to reload. Yes. Okay, so now guys, to get here, we will learn about the parameterized constructor a little bit. What is parameterized constructor? Okay, so your parameterized okay. Parameterized constructor are those constructor which has formal argument. Okay, so which has formal argument. Okay, it will have the formal argument, then it will be known as parameterized constructor. Now what is the purpose? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of parameterized constructor? They are basically used to initialize the variables. What variables? Tell me. Non-static. Okay, how? By accepting. How we can initialize it? By accepting the value, or you can say the data from the constructor, okay, in the object, okay, object creation statement. Okay, so what we can do, what this will do, it will accept the value the constructor. Yes, and where we are writing this constructor, where we are calling the constructor in the main method, when we are creating the object, that time. Yes, all of you understood this? Is it clear? So how we will write the syntax? We will write access modifier. Okay, and then we will write modifier. Modifier is non-static, so it not specify. Then our class name, and then the formal argument. Okay, so this is the work. Now listen carefully, everyone. It will initialize the variable. Okay, the non-static variable which you have created in your program, which will be inside the class block. What it will do, it will accept the values for these non-static variable from constructor. Okay, and in the object creation statement. So this constructor will be checked by the compiler if we have already created in the program. When it will check, when we are creating the object, that time we are also writing the constructor to construct to put to load everything inside that memory space. So from there we can check, we can call it and then we can check. Okay, so for that I will give you a small program. Okay, look at here. Suppose everyone has all of you has gone to school. Yes or no? You all must have gone to school. You must have been given some ID. You must be having some name. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And then yeah. Otherwise, we can take some other example. Okay. Okay. How many of you like idli? Tell me. Tell me. How many of you like idli?
Me, ma'am.
Me, ma'am.
Yes. We will make an idli class. Okay.
Okay.
Don't feel hungry. Okay. Please. Okay. We will make an idli class. So, yes, guys. So, idli, what are the different, variables we can take for idli? Tell me, what are the properties of idli? First, color. We can take color. Yes or no?
Shape.
And shape. Okay. And give me one more.
Price, ma'am.
Price.
Yes.
Let's take price.
Yes.
Yeah. Anything else? Okay.
Size.
Now, guys, yes. Now I will tell this one. This part is my wait. This part I will take the properties. Okay. And this part I will take the behaviors. Okay. Properties means, what is the meaning of property? Tell me. Your data. Yes. And your methods.
Methods.
Yes. So now in behavior, I will okay, let's display the details of this idli. Yes. So I will take idli details. Okay. So this is what I have to create using parameterized constructor. Okay. Now in this program, I will use this keyword. Okay. And this keyword, you know why we use this keyword? All of you. Quick. Tell me. Until and unless you won't tell, I won't go forward. Tell me. This keyword is used for?
Use it to access the member of the current object.
Members of current object.
Yes. So what will be the members? The non-static members? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Those non-static member will be accessed by this keyword. Okay. 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 And which will be in the current object. It means every object is storing these non-static members with different values. So every object will be storing non-static members with different values, and it will be accessed in each object different time with this keyword, but it will be like it has to be the current object. Then only we can use this. Okay. Suppose you have something in your hand, then you tell this. If somebody else is having the same thing in their hand, you won't say this. Yes, if I have this pen in my hand, this digital pen in my hand, so I will say this pen. If you are having a pen in your hand, I will say, okay, his pen or her pen. We will not say this pen. It means right now, currently, I am holding this pen. So currently when I'm using this pen, it means I will refer it as this.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Similarly, similarly, the object which is being used currently in the program, okay, that in that object, whatever non-static members we have used, it will be referred as this. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, so now let's do this program. Okay, let's do this program. Okay, so let's take another class. What is the class name? What is the class name? Idli. Okay. And then what we took, see what we took. We took color, shape, and price. Okay. So what we have to, what properties we have to create? Oh, sorry. What properties we have to create? Tell me. Yes, tell me. What properties we have to create?
Color.
Yes, what is the color? Data type string, color.
String.
String
Okay.
color,
String man.
Shape.
shape,
Huh? Okay, string, shape,
String shape.
And
double
Double
price,
price.
int also
double
we can
price. Okay, double
Price.
price. Okay. Okay. Now I will make a constructor which is parameterized because I want to take values for color, shape, and price for different objects. If I create one object, I will give data for one object. If I will create two objects, I will give data for two objects. Okay, understood? So what I will do for that, I will create a constructor because when I am creating the object, that time only I am calling my constructor. That time only I'm calling my constructor. Okay, so if I'm calling my constructor, that time only I can give the data that time. Okay, all of you understood? Is it clear to
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So now I will explain you everything. Don't worry. So what I will take the constructor name. Suppose I take Idli. Okay, Idli, and then what I have to take the value for color, the value for shape, the value for price. So what I will do, I will create the local variable for color, shape, and price, and I will give the same name, color, shape, and price. What I will do, I will write the formal argument. How we will write, how we will declare a local variable with the data type. We declare it with the data type, local variable. So create string color. You have to create it here. You are declaring. Understood? So I have already explained you with this. Yes, local variable string color. I am calling the value for color. Now I will call the value for, tell me, shape. Now
Shape.
I will call the value for, yes, now I will call the value for price. Okay,
Price.
so these three things will be taken, okay, will be asked when we will create the constructor while the object creation. So this will be asked, give me color value, give me shape value, give me price value. Okay. Now guys, on that day, I already
Okay.
told you, these are non-static members. These are local variable members. Now both are having same name. Both are having same name. Here, this non-static member is having color. Here, this local variable is having color. So how we will refer this non-static members? With the help of this keyword. Okay, so I will write this dot color. What does it means? The current object which will execute. Okay, the current object which we have created, all this constructor along with the creation of the object, new keyword and this idli, and we will pass color, we will pass shape value, we will pass price in form of string, in form of color, in form of string, shape in form of string, and price in form of double when we create the object that time. So it means that object is the current object. So this will refer to the current object. Okay, and the color which is inside that object will be referred with this dot color. Understood? And then we'll assign this color, this local variable. Okay, so color. Okay, so here this dot color is referred to your non-static method, and this color is referred to your local variable. Is it clear to all of you? First line.
Yes.
All of you
Ma'am.
understood?
Yes.
Not understood? Okay, with the next example, I will explain. Now, explain. When I'm creating the object, okay, so I will create idli I1 is equal to new idli. Okay, that time the compiler will search where is idli with no parameter. We have not created. So what we have to do, we have to send color, we have to send shape, we have to send price. So what I will do, I will send the color like white. I will send the color space shape. Shape is suppose round. Okay, also in quotes. Okay, and then also send the price like 10.0. Okay, so what will happen now? Idli with parameterized constructor is present. Yes, it is present. See, it is present. Okay, and is it written in a proper format? First we have to write color. So yes, color is written. Shape, yes, shape is also given. Price, yes, price is also given. Yes, so this white will go here, color, and this white is here, color. So this is the local variable, and this is also the local variable. This local variable I have called here, and we are assigning this white into the current object non-static member. And then when we have to give the value for round, how I will write? I will write this dot shape, yes, is equal to shape. So it means your this dot shape will refer to this non-static method. But when we are talking about this only shape, it means it is your local variable. In this local variable, what value we have sent? We have sent round. So this round will go and get stored here. And then this will be your local variable, which will be assigned into this dot shape. So now this dot shape, it means here for the current object, we have stored round. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Every one of you, tell me quickly. Clear, clear, clear. Everyone clear? Anybody who didn't understand? Yes, I will write. Okay, so right now this is our non-static, okay, members, or you can say yes, members. Okay, and this is here along with the constructor. This is parameterized constructor. What we are using with parameterized constructor? With parameterized constructor, we are using the local, we are declaring the local variable, declaring the local, okay, variables. Okay, now these local variables here, I will write here also. Okay, so this dot your member, okay, suppose color, what is this? It is a non-static member. Okay, it is a non-static member. Okay, whereas your COLOR is your local variable. Okay, now what we are doing, we are assigning local variable data into the this dot color. Okay, this dot color, it's gone too much. We are assigning local variable data into this dot color. Okay, this dot color of current object. Is it clear? Is it clear? I will write, then you will understand. If I will speak, you won't understand. Okay, so this is what we are doing. So for shape also, we have assigned the local variable shape into the current objects non-static shape. Next, what we are assigning? We are assigning this dot price. Okay, this dot price is equal to price. So what we are doing, this value, price, okay, local variable. This is also the local variable. This price is being called here. This price is being called here, and the price, local variable price, will be stored inside the this dot price, which belongs to the current object non-static member. Now I think it's clear to all of you. Okay, so what will happen? This 0.0 will go in this price, okay, and then this 10.0 will be stored in the current object non-static price. Is it clear to all of you now? Clear, all of you? I think I have made it very clear. Yes? Okay. So now look at here, everyone. Okay, now look at here, everyone. This we will do in the driver class inside the main method. Okay, so now anything else I have to put? Do I have to put anything? No. So what will happen? My non-parameterized constructor, idli, string color, string shape, double price is done. So this is my, what is this? This is my parameterized, okay, parameterized, okay, constructor. Okay. Now after this, what we have to do, I only forgot. Yes, now we have to create idli details. Anyone has a question? Anyone? Shilpa, do you have any question? No? Okay. So now we have to do, yes?
Ma'am, in parameterized constructor, don't we have to add the access modifier?
It's not required. If we want, we can. It's not required. If you want, I will add. Yes?
Okay.
I can add. Okay?
Okay.
If you want, you can add. Otherwise, it will be default. Okay?
Okay, because the modifier also will be in default
Okay. So now,
itself, right?
yes, it will be default. If you are adding public, then only it will become public. Otherwise, it is everything is will be default. Okay. Now we have to create idli details. So what I will do, I will write public void and idli details. So idli, and the second word, first character should be in capital. Please follow all the conventions. Okay, idli details, and then it is a method. So what I will do, I will just print everything. So I will write system.out.println, and then what I have to print, I will print the color. So idli color is equal to, tell me what I should give here. What I should give here? Tell me, guys. Which variable? Which variable? Which non-static variable we will print?
Color.
Color.
Yes, color. So much time you took. Now again, what I will do? I will print everything. Control C and then Control V you can do, and then what we have to go for? We have to go for shape. Okay. So what I will write? Shape.
Plus shape.
Okay. Now again, what we will do? We will check for
Price.
we will print the price. So then again we will write price. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Yes. So now this is the detail I am giving. Okay. And my class is done.
14th line.
Class. 14th
I
line.
should be capital.
Where? No. No. This is a
Okay, ma'am.
convention. Convention
Okay.
is not being taught to y'all. Convention
Taught,
is not taught. So what is the convention for a method identifier? Tell me.
The first letter of the
Name should be small letter.
should be small.
And what about the second, when you are writing multi-word?
It will be capital letter.
So have I written correctly?
Yes.
If I will not write, if I will not follow the convention, will I get any error?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. So this is for industrial use only.
Yes.
You have to follow it in industry. But guys, when you are getting in your program compiled error, that time you won't by the company. But when the conventions are not followed, you will be actually, they will scold you a lot. So please follow the convention. Yes,
Okay.
everyone.
Okay.
Okay. So now what we have done, what is done here? My idli class is done. Okay. Now what I have to create? I have to pass the value. I have to create the object. Yes or no? Where I will create the object? In the idli driver class. Okay. So I will create one idli driver class. Okay. So I will create idli driver class. Okay. Now in the main method, what I will do, I don't need this line. Yes, I will create first object. Okay, so how I will create first object? Idli I1 is equal to new idli. Yes, yes or no? Let's see if we get error or not. Yes, let's see, and I will tell you why. Okay. Okay, now I have saved it. Okay, and now see why we will get what we will get. Yes, okay. So Java C, sorry, Java C test dot Java. So many error. Cannot find symbol. Cannot find symbol. Why? Why we could not find the symbol? Why we could not find the symbol? See what it is writing. It is writing, it is pointing it here. See, this pointer is here. Can you see, all of you? The pointer is here. Cannot find symbol. The pointer is here. See, it's here. It is pointing here. Why? Why? On line number 5 is pointing this. Who will tell
Case
me?
insensitive.
No, no case sensitive. I have written idli like this only. Yeah. See, I have written. I have not saved it. Wait. Now it is saved. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Now tell me, it is giving the proper error. Constructor idli in class idli cannot be applied to the given types. Why? It is required. See, required string double. Why? Why it requires string double? Reason is actual and formal argument list differs in length. So guys, look at here. Look at here. Here in idli, I have not specified any argument. But in this class, I have a constructor where I have specified the argument. So this is formal argument and this is actual argument. So in actual argument, I'm not sending anything. So that is why I am getting this error. Yes, this error. It is what it is required, string and double.
String double.
Yes, it means the data in string form, another data also in string form, another data also in double form. So what we will do here, first we will send string. So what was the first string? Tell me. It means the color. So color I will send white. Okay. And then next string. So the shape.
Round shape. Yes,
I will round. And
yes,
price, suppose 20.0. If you will write int also, it will do the widening. Okay. And it will take 20.0. Okay. Understood?
yes,
Understood, all of you? Yes. And now I will show you. Okay. Will you get the error or not? Okay. So look at here, everyone. Look at here. Why it is taking so much time? Yes. Why did not the cursor came? So are we getting any error? No, we are not getting. Wait. I don't know why it is not working. It's still moving, still moving. Okay. Yes. So Java C dot Java. Okay. So there is no compile time error. Yes, there is no compile time error.
Yes,
Did
sir.
we get any? No. But nothing
No,
will be
no.
printed because we did not display anything. Yes. Now I want to display. So what I will do, I want to display everything. So this, look at here. This white, it will go where? It will go to this local variable color. Yes. And this round, where it will go? It will go to the local variable here, shape. Do you remember
Okay.
methods? All of you, do you remember methods? Yes. This is how we do actual and formal argument. You have to send the proper value. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
No, do not revise methods. Please revise methods also. That is why method is taught first. And this value, only one person said yes, ma'am. And then it will go 20.0 will go here. Now the color value white, which is in this is the local variable. From this, it will go to the object variable. Okay, current object variable. And the value which is in the shape, the round shape, which is in this local variable, it will go to the object variable, this dot shape, and so on. Now you understood how the constructor works. Easy, very easy. Okay, now I will call idli details. Okay, now I will call idli details. Okay, sorry. Idli details. So where I will call idli details, how I will call the idli detail? Idli detail is also a non-static member. Did we put static here? Did we put static here? No,
No,
we
ma'am.
did not. It is a non-static. Tell me, it is a, come on, tell me,
Non-static method.
non-static method. Yes or no? It
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
non-static method. So how we call a non-static method? With the help of the reference variable. So what is the reference variable? I1 dot, tell me, we will write idli details. Yes, simple. Okay, now look what answer we will get. Okay, now look everyone. Yes, so now I will again compile and then I will execute it. Are we getting whatever we have sent? Look at here everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Did you
Yes,
understand the program, all of you?
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
guys. Okay, guys. Now tracing is done, is upon you. Please do the tracing now every time you all. Now every time I'm not wasting my time in tracing. I've already given less time to complete the portion for you all. So please do the tracing. Roughly, I'll do it for you. Today is the last time I'm doing the tracing. Okay. So now Italy, suppose I will take another object. Okay. I2. I have created another object and then new Italy. Tell me, everyone. Tell me the color. Nowadays, you can see Instagram, so many idlis are there.
Cream color.
Green color.
Cream.
Cream. Okay, cream.
Cream,
Cream
ma'am.
color. Okay, cream. Okay. And
Where?
Oval.
oval. Oval. Okay, oval. Now,
25.
oh, 25. Okay, fine. Now what I will do, I will also display the details. So how I will
Details.
display? Yes, idli details. Yes, this is how I will do. Oops. Yes, now let me save my program. So how many objects we created here? Two
Two
objects.
objects.
So the data for two objects will be shown or not? It will be shown.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Will show.
So is it coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Both data are coming. First data and second data.
Yes, ma'am. Coming.
Yes. I will put something that it should look nice. Yes, so let's do something. You can design your program. Okay, so it should give you the output in the same manner. Yeah. Do save it. Okay.
Ma'am, 17th line, it's called.
17 line. Not out the print. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Now let's go here again, guys, and let's check it out. Is it looking nice? Isn't it? It's looking nice. Yes. So this is how you can design. You can think of your design.
Okay.
Okay. Now your today's assignment you will do at home. Yes. All of you understood this program. All of you understood this constructor program. I want to see the answers of all 54 members. Did you all understood? Every one of you? Yes. All of you understood? Okay. Fine. So look at here, guys. Your assignment for today is this. Let's take. We did for Idli. You all have your bank account. Yes. So we will take account.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then account holding. Okay. It should be written small. Account holder name. Okay. Then your account number. This is underscore. This is not hyphen. Okay. Everyone, this is underscore. We can only use underscore and dollar sign. Yes. In an identifier. Password PWD. Then, okay. Let it be till here only. So this is the properties. Right now I'm specifying. Later on I will not specify. And then you have to show account details. Show account details. Okay. Okay. So this is your assignment. You have to do it. And tomorrow I will ask you to show me. And then don't tell ma'am, we have not done, ma'am, I forgot, ma'am, this and ma'am, that. Okay. So you have to make what you will make here. First point, you will create all non-static yes variables. So account holder name, what will be the data type for this first part?
String.
String. This one
Long.
you can take long, you can take
Long.
Okay, password.
Long.
You can also take password in string. Whatever you want to take. After that, what you will do? You will create a tell me, parameterized constructor. Okay, in the parameterized constructor, what will be the name of the constructor? Account. Same as the class name. And what you will take? What you will take?
String.
Yes.
String account holder name.
String account
String
holder.
account holder name.
Account holder. Okay. And then account number. And then password. Okay, guys, you add available balance also. Available because the account will show available balance. Huh? So available balance. Okay, available balance will be in which form? Of course, it will be in double. Password I'm leaving upon you. Whatever you want to give, long, int, string. If I would be there, I will take string. Okay, and in next in account class, we are only talking about account class, not account driver. And then what you will do? Tell me. You will create a public void show account detail. Yes, details. Now what you will, where did we go? Yes. So what you will do here, you will print everything, system.out.println, account holder name, system.out.println, account number, system.out.println, password, system.out.println, available balance. Is this class done? Is this class done, all of you? Do we need to add anything more in the account class?
Madam, this keyword, this
This keyword will be used in parameterized constructor. Okay, in parameterized constructor, we will use this dot, the variable I'm equal to. You know how it has to be done. I will give you time right now to write the program. Now in the account driver class, what I will do? In main method, what I will do? I will create.
account.
Yes, I will create one account of one object for account, and what I will pass first? I will pass the
Name, account holder,
account number, password, and one more, available balance.
balance.
So what you will send here? Suppose you are sending ABC account holder name. You are sending what you have taken next, account number as okay, long,
1, 2, 3.
and then yes, password. If suppose I'm taking, suppose in string I have taken, so I will take like this, and balance is suppose okay 3000. Okay, and you are creating this object, and you are putting in one reference variable like account A1. You have to make account A2, A3, A4. Okay, you have to make 4 reference variables, so you have to create 4 objects with different values. This is your assignment, this is your task. Understood? Okay, I forgot to trace idli. I told you that I will trace idli one, so I will trace idli one first. First, you just take a screenshot of this question. Taken, everyone? Should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so this is account driver.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so guys, do I need to do the tracing for this idli, or you all have understood? You will trace it.
Understood,
Understood. So please take the screenshot. You all have typed this program. Did you all type this program? Please
No,
type.
took screenshot.
Please type it. For this program? Okay, I will show you for this program only. First, everyone, I want no taking photos. Type it. Type it now. Type it. Otherwise, you are never going to do this. Type it right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you are typing it. Please do type. No wastage of time.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Typing.
And then I will give you the second class. Okay, type it nicely. We have a lot of time. We have finished constructor and the constructor details and the types of constructor. I want you to, okay, constructor overloading. I also wanted to explain you.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
No, ma'am.
Quick, fast, fast. I will
Ma'am,
give you
can scroll right side.
scroll. Oh, you want to type that also? But type. This dot color. Okay. Oops. Wait. Yeah. This dot color. Okay. I will highlight it. Quickly. I have to teach you some other thing also. Constructor overloading anyhow today I have to explain you. Done? Written? Yes. Quick, fast. 2 minutes more I will give you. Quickly finish it. Done this class? Shifting to another class. Yes, do it quickly. I will give you only 1 minute for this idli driver class. Quick, I have to give you the tracing also, na? Done, all of you? Finished? Okay. Look at the tracing now. Look at the tracing now. Everyone. Are you all present? Done? Good. Very good. Okay. If you have not done, I know most of you are short. Please do it after the class. Okay. So now let's take method. Static is not needed because we did not create any static method. So I will take a method. Okay. Method area. I will take your stack area and I will take your this thing. Heap area. Okay. Method area is not needed. Static area is not needed. So this is method area, all of you. And this is your stack area where execution happens, we execute, and this is heap area. First of all, Yes, your class will be registered in the static pool, all that you know. Okay. Now here, what method will be stored? First of all, there is in this one class, in this, where is the class one? Yes. In this idli Java class, .java, how many methods we have created? How many methods we have created? This is the constructor. Okay. How many methods we have created? We have created 2 methods. We have created, tell me guys.
2 methods, sir.
2 methods. Okay. Do we have a return type here? No, it is not a method. It is registered as a constructor. So we have only one method, which is idli detail. So this idli detail will be stored in the method area. Okay. Okay. Fine. Understood? Clear to all of you? Okay. So I will give, and all the data will be here. Okay. I did not want to tell method area, but I will explain you. Okay. Now let's go to the main method. In the stack area, a block will be created for the main method, and this main method belongs to this class. Okay. Now what happens in this main method? It can see to first variable I1. Yes. So what will happen? And because new keyword is there, so a block of memory will be created. In this block of memory, what will happen first? All the non-static members will be loaded. So let's start first. First one is, you can see what this detail, this idli details, sorry, capital. So here your idli details will be stored, and the address will also be stored. What else is there? What else is there? Color. Yes. Did you ask something? Anyone ask anything? Yes, Vishaka? Okay. Any question? Okay, so we will take color. What else we took? We took shape and price. Only 3 things we took. Okay.
Yes.
And price. It's inside only. Think that it is inside. Okay. Inside the block only.
Okay.
Now this color will be given null value. This shape will be given null value, and this price will be given a 0.0 default value. Okay. And this block of memory will be given a 0xF2 address. Okay. After loading, what will happen? We will execute non-static. What happens? We've already loaded. So what will happen in, okay, before loading, I forgot to tell you, because as soon as this object is created, okay, what happens? The constructor part comes in the scenario. So what will happen? There will be one more frame which will be created for, this is F0, F1 will be created. Okay. And this will go in the pause mode, and the control will go here. Okay. The control will go here. This is for the main method, and this is for your constructor. Okay. Now in this constructor, what happens? It will load all the members inside this block of memory. So what are the members it is having? Tell me what is the work of a constructor? Tell me, what is the work of the constructor? Load non-static member. First point. Second point, execute non-static initializer. Yes. And third was execute programmer written instruction. So what this constructor is holding? This constructor is holding shape as, tell me what shape it is holding. Guys, tell me. See what it is holding. See, it is holding this value. This constructor is holding this value. So tell me, you have written now. So it is holding what value? Yes.
White.
Yes.
White. Round.
Yes.
20 rupees.
Next is your color. Sorry,
Shape.
color only. I wrote shape. Color and shape. What it is keeping?
Round.
And what price it is holding?
10.
10.0.
10. Okay. 10.0. So now this, as soon as it is loading, what happens? This color from null will become white, and this shape will become round.
Round.
And oh, round, and this right now
11.0.
yes. Okay. Now it will also check. It will also check, is there any programmable written instruction inside the constructor? So it is, yes, it is there. So what it will do, it will put this color into this. We have already done this. We have already shifted the value. So this white goes here, the round goes here, and the price 10.0 goes here. We have already shifted. These are local variable, which is shifted to the non-static, this current object variable. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, the task is done. So this block will be terminated and your control will come back to here. Now what will happen? This address 0xF2 will be given to the first part. Understood? Now again we have one more object creation. So one more block will be created in the heap area. Okay, and the methods will be stored. Okay, so now what will happen first? First of all, one more block will be created for your second constructor. See, we have created another constructor. Look at here. We have created another constructor with some parameter. So what will happen? Tell me guys. Here the parameter, this is constructor I2. This is for constructor I1. Okay, so what will happen? Again, it will store some color as something, some shape. Tell me the values, I don't remember. And price. Yes, tell me the color. What did you say? Cream.
Cream.
Shape you said oval. Price, what did you say?
25.
I guess so. Yes. Now when it is getting, the constructor is loading everything, what it will do, it will load the members. So idly detail is there in the class, idly detail, and the address is 0x1 only. Yes. Okay. Now here what will be stored? Color will be stored with the null value first of all. Okay. Shape. Okay. Shape. Still first it will be stored. Okay. It will load. It will get loaded. Then only it will get program instruction will be executed. That time it will be changed. Okay, first loading, while loading everything will have the default value. While loading, while this process, everything will have a, tell me, while loading the members into the memory, what will constructor do? Constructor will just load, it will not change the value. So do we have non-static initializer? Yes, I have already taken in non-static initializer. So do we have non-static initializer in our program right now? We don't have. Do we have any block? Do we have any block like this,
No,
this non-static initializer like this? Okay, let me take. Hello. Do we have? Yes, now we have. Okay, so this will be executed first. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. So see, first the non-static initializer is executed and then the programmable written instruction. Yes, that will be executed with the help of your method. Understood? So it means if we will not write any kind of non-static initializer, it will not be loaded because we have not written. But if we have written, then it will be stored here also and then it will be added here also. Okay. Now what will happen? Yes, the control has gone here. Okay. Now what will happen? It will load the non-static method with the default value. Then it will execute non-static initializer. And then it will execute programmable written instructions. So these are programmable written instructions. So my color will become, removal, and my price will become 25.0. Okay, and then again this frame will be deleted, and the control will come back to main method. In I2, the address we have not given here, so OXF3, so it will be stored here. Your program is done. Okay, your program is done, so everything will be again displayed. Is it clear to all of you now? Yes, is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay, guys, I want yes or no. Is it clear to all of you? Fine, fine. Okay, understood. Okay. Now, guys, look at here, everyone. Look at here. Very important. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So suppose you all are students. Okay, you all are students. This is a college, big college, kind of AMC or RV college or very big engineering college in Bangalore. Yes. Okay. I don't know how to draw a nice, but very big, suppose. Okay. Now, first person, they are asking for three things, three certificates. Okay, certificates. Okay, for the admission in engineering college, they are asking three certificates, suppose. First one is your PU certificate. Second one is your, of course, birth certificate. Yes, and next one is the income certificate of your parent, of your father, mother. Yes, okay. So these certificates are very important for the admission. Yes, now first person is coming. Okay, so this person has passed out PU. Still it has not passed out PU, suppose. Okay, so you do not have PU certificate. It is in the process. The person is preparing now. Okay, so PU certificate he doesn't have, and birth certificate, suppose, also he is not getting it. And he said, ma'am, later I will give. I don't have now. Income certificate, no, ma'am, my parents are getting salary in hand, so we don't have any income certificate. But I will give you one certificate where it is written that yes, my parents are working. Okay, so this person is not having any of the certificate. Now, second person is coming and telling here it is telling that I have PU certificate, I don't have birth certificate, I don't have the income certificate. Now, third person is coming and the person is telling, ma'am, I have PU certificate, I have birth certificate, but I don't have income certificate of my parents. Now, fourth person is coming and telling, ma'am, I have PU certificate, I have birth certificate, I have income certificate. Okay, so it means what this college will do. This college will find that some of the other person are having or not having some of the certificates. So what it will do, it will allow to all the four person. Okay, this person told, ma'am, later on I will show you the income. Okay, so they consider this first person. Are you all able to understand what I'm explaining? Yes, everyone? Yes. Okay, so now what will
Yes,
happen is, yes, these certificates are important, but some persons are not having it and some persons are having it. Yes, yes or no? Yes. So what is happening here? We will consider that there is a process which is happening without any data. There is a process which is happening with one data. Yeah, And here is a process which is happening with only 2 data. And here is the process which is happening with all the data. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And it. So in your class also, in the class, the programming class which we are creating in Java, if a class is having more than one constructor, okay, more than one constructor, then it is known as constructor overloading. Okay, if your class is having more than one constructor, it is known as constructor overloading. But guys, the way I have explained, it will work the same way. Yes, why it will work the same way in the constructor overloading? Do you have any idea what did I teach you right now? What did I explain you right now? Do you have any idea? Any one of you? Why I told you data? Yes.
Ma'am, it is it something like some at some point of time the data will be provided and at some point of time data will not be provided. So both the situations.
Do you remember method overloading? Do you all remember method overloading? Do you all remember method overloading or not?
No, ma'am.
Method overloading is not done. Was it done by sir or not?
No, ma'am, I don't think so.
But he didn't do method overloading.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I was told method was completed. I was told that method overloading is fully completed. So in method he taught you actual formal parameter and he taught you method, everything he taught. He didn't specify method overloading, but he said that I have to start from nested do. Seriously, just check your notes if you have, every one of you, please check once. No overloading. Then I have to teach you method overloading also. Then I have to teach you that. I don't have any other option. Yes, just check once, na? He might have taught you. You must have forgotten because you all are not revising. I know that. Just check once. Just check. Just check once. Did you check?
Yes.
Shaka, is it there?
Yes, no, it is
not there.
It is not there.
It's not there. Okay, no problem. I'll teach you, no problem. Okay, so just first of all think about constructor overloading. Where did it go? Okay, so now what is constructor overloading? When you are see overloading is a overloading. I'm telling you, overloading. What it is overloading? It is a process of using number of methods or constructor with same name but different types of parameters. Okay, so what I will do here, first of all, if I'm telling about constructor overloading, okay, so your constructor overloading is it means that if your class is having more than one constructor. Right now, I taught you only one constructor, na? But if your class is having more, I'm simplifying it for your understanding. Okay. So if your class is having more than one constructor, what it is called? It is called constructor overloading. But all the constructor, if suppose here I will write this constructor, again I will write this same constructor. What is the use? What is the use? If I'm writing one constructor, this one, again I'm writing one more constructor, what is the use? It is of no use. That is why there is a no, it is not used. With the same parameter, if you are writing, it will say already defined. Why you are writing again? So that is why to differentiate the number of constructor, if there is a number of constructor with same name, okay, number of constructor will have important same name, okay, name will be same but different types of parameter, okay, different types of parameters. Okay, now I will explain you how you can do this actually. Okay, suppose okay, let's see. Suppose I have I want to give you something. Okay, this is the board I have a board. Yes, on this board I am taking offline student class. Okay, I am taking, this is a board. Okay, now my board is having, suppose, color, my board is having price, my board is also of some brand. Yes, now suppose I will create a class of board. Okay, class board. Okay, in this I will specify all the non-static variables. Okay, like string, color, okay, and your double price and your string brand. Yes, okay, now I will call for the constructor. So I can give one constructor like board board. Okay, this is my no argument constructor. Yes, now okay,
Yes, ma'am.
inside the no argument constructor I will simply write no argument constructor. If you want to leave it, okay, you don't want to type any message, that also you can do. And next I will write board and I will take only, I will ask for only color, okay, only one parameter. Here what I'm taking, one parameter only, okay, only one declaration I have done for the local variable, only color. So what I will do this dot color belongs to your current object non-static variable. This is current object non-static variable is equal to this color. So I will write this color here, color. What is this one? This is a local variable. Yes, see, I have done the declaration also here, string color. Okay, so I am writing only I'm taking only one parameter with my constructor. Now I will take one more constructor. Okay, board. Yes, board. And here I will ask for string also, string color also, and what I have taken. Yes, I will ask for double price also.
Okay.
Okay, and now I will take this dot color is equal to color, this color, and this dot color will belong to which part? This part.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now, yes, I will take this dot price is equal to price. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
Yes. Now I can take your parameter has to be different. Now can I take both? Here I can write price. So I will do board string
Double price.
string, not string. Yes, here
Double
yes, string, yes, correct. Wait, I have only used color. I will take string brand and I will take double price. Yes, this kind of I have not created. So I will create and then I will write this dot brand is being storing this value, the brand, and this dot price is equal to price. Okay. Okay. Next guys, I can create one more. I have 3 variables, so I can write string color, I can write string brand, and I can also write double
Double
price.
price.
Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. We can write like this also. And then I will write this dot color equal to
Is it
color. And now tell me this dot brand is equal to brand. This
dot
dot price
is equal to
isn't it? We can write it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we can call whichever we want. Okay. I have not written the details in the class board driver. What you can write in the board driver, you can simply write inside the main method whichever constructor you want to call. I want to call this constructor. So how I will write color and brand? How I will write? Tell me. First of all, I will create the object. Yes,
Okay.
I will create new board. Yes, and what I have to pass here? Tell me what I have to pass. String, color,
String color
and brand.
and
Color
brand.
and brand.
So I will call color is red. Okay, and my brand is some ABC brand. Okay, and I will store it in one BOARD, one, a reference variable B1.
B1.
So now which constructor will be called? Which constructor will be called?
Board
Which
string
constructor will be
color
called?
and string
Yes,
brand.
yes. So which constructor will be called? Tell me. Tell me which constructor will be called. This constructor will be called. Understood? Now I will create another object where I will write color and price. Okay, color and price. Okay, so I will create another object, new board, and I have to give color and price. So white, and my price is 2000. Okay, is equal to. So why we are using this? If somebody is having some, so in the form of certificate, if somebody is having only 2 certificates, somebody is not having any certificate, somebody is having all the certificates, somebody is having only 1 certificate. So in that form, we will create the scenarios, we will create the constructor in the same format. So a one person who is having only 1 certificate can submit their form to that particular area, and the person who is having all the 3 certificates, they can have. Okay, so we make counter na, in bank also, in colleges also, in school also, we make the counter. You are having 1 certificate, okay, go to that counter. You are having 2 certificate, okay, go to that counter. You are having
Yes,
all the certificate, okay, you come to this counter. So similarly, that counter is your constructor where all the working process of your class will happen, of your object will happen. So it will load everything, staple all the papers together. It will specify how many documents you have. Similarly, here also the constructor will load everything, specify how many data you have, and display it. Okay, so if you want, you can display b1 dot your board details. Now in the board display, if you have not given data for price, the price will come 0.0, and your color will come red, your brand will come ABC, but your price will come 0.0 because you have not given price, and it will show
yes,
the
ma'am.
default value. Please do this program also as your assignment. Okay, you want me to give another program, or you want to do the same program, board driver?
This one
It's
only.
upon you. This one only.
This one
So
only.
take a, okay, yeah, I forgot to explain you. Okay, so this white and price, it will go to and specify which one, which constructor, price and brand. Yes, it will go here, price and brand. Yes, tell me, price and brand, this one. Okay, now guys, if I have written, if suppose I have written, if I have written new board and I have not specified anything, and board B3. So it is a no argument constructor. So where it will go? This will go to no argument constructor, and it will display this. And if you will write here B3 dot this method. I have not created this method. You have to create display. Okay, so what will happen? What value you will get? You will get, for color you will get null, for brand you will get null, and for price you will get 0.0 because you have not specified the value.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
default value will be displayed. Is it clear to all of you? Did you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Yash. What about others? Yes. Understood. Everyone understood. Everyone understood. So constructor overloading is complete. Okay. Tomorrow we will do constructor chaining. That is very important. We will learn about this call statement and super call statement. You want to take the screenshot for what I explained right now, or you have understood, all of you?
A screenshot.
You want the screenshot. Method loading is also same. Yes, it is same, but I will teach you method overloading because there is difference between constructor loading and method overloading. So don't think it is totally same. Okay, it has little bit of difference that I will teach you. I did not know that you are not knowing. Yeah. You want to take the screenshot? Okay, take. Then, ma'am, this is the problem. Already when time was there, it was not taught. So, okay, I will ask. I had to, I had to also, every day I had to give my presentation, what I taught y'all to ma'am, to my project manager. Yes. So this is the problem. What I should do. That only I'm thinking. Okay. So yes, guys, please don't think that this constructor and your method is different. Constructor and method is different. Yes. So there will be little slight difference in constructor overloading and method overloading. What did you find? What is the difference? See, constructor has the same name of the class, but do the method have the same name? Yes, we can keep the same name, but there will be we can keep the same name, but what will happen? You have to give the return type there. Yes? Yes or no? Yes? But your constructor will never have a return value. Yes, but your function will have any return value. Okay. And yes, guys, you can make the function public, private. Here also we can make the constructor private. Understood? I have a question. What if I make the constructor private? You will learn the concept about singleton class. Later, I will explain you about singleton class. When we'll do the interface, that time, I will tell you singleton class. So how it is done, I will explain you through constructor. So quickly take the screenshot of this. Done? Should I scroll down? Yes, take.
Ma'am, can you zoom out a bit?
What?
Zoom out on this.
I didn't hear you. Be loud.
Ma'am, can you zoom out?
Okay, yes. Just a second. Is it okay? Oh, it's zoomed too much. It is going 100% or 200% only. Okay.
No,
Is
no,
it
I'm
clear?
asking to reduce
Do you
the
want
zoom.
me to type it? Do you want me to type it in the this thing? I'll type it. Yeah, I'll type it quickly. Okay. So let's do it here only. Board. Yes. What variable we took? Tell me quickly. String, color. Okay. And then we took string, brand. Yes. And then we took double price. Yes. Double price. Yes. Okay. And then what we took first constructor, which is only BOARD. Okay. and
No,
I have just system.out.println, and then this is no argument constructor. Okay, and then we took BOARD board, and then what we took only string color. Yes, this is what we took, and here I have done this dot color is equal to color. Okay, I equal to became this minus. Okay, this is what we did for the first, and then we did BOARD board, and then I took string color, and I took string brand. Okay, and then I did this dot color is equal to color, and this dot brand is equal to brand. Yes, these two lines, and then what I did, BOARD code, and then I took string brand, and I took double brand, string color and price I have not taken up, so I will take color and price. Okay, I will take price, and then I will do this dot color is equal to color. Okay, and then this dot price is equal to price. Okay, this is what I did, and then again we take board string color brand string. Okay, string brand price brand, and yes, anyone has any question? Yes, now what we'll do, this dot color is equal to color, and then this dot price is equal to price. Okay, now what we will do, color brand color price brand price. Okay, so we will take both the string. Okay, both the string I will take, like string color and string what is that, brand. Okay, then it is, yes, this dot color is equal to, yes, did I do any mistake here? No. Okay, yes, so this dot brand is equal to brand. Okay, now what else left? Okay, all three together. Yes, all three together I will take string color. Okay, and then string brand. Okay, and then I will take double price. Okay, yes. Okay, now I will take this dot color. Okay, this dot color is equal to color, and then this dot brand is equal to brand, and then this dot price is equal to price. Okay, fine, this is what we are doing, and you can make one board, sorry, public void, yes, board detail. Okay,
Ma'am, line number 38.
and wait. Yeah, line number 38. Okay.
Ma'am, 38th line.
Yeah. Okay. And here details. I'll just follow the convention. Okay. And what I will do, I will print everything here. Okay. So print. Everyone, please write down along with me. If not in the laptop, then at least on your paper. Okay. So what you will print color, and then you will print brand. Yes, and then you will print price. Okay, so this is it. This is your first class. Quickly write down, everyone. Noted? Noted, everyone? So this is your overloading. Okay.
Ma'am,
And Mhm.
Scroll up.
Scroll up. Did you took the screenshot or you have written? Anyone who is left? Done? Should I create another class? Okay. I'm not saving it. Okay. I'm not saving it
Wait,
because
man. Scroll down.
yeah, scroll down. I'm not saving it because already my laptop is having more than 1,000 programs. Delete everything.
Hold on, ma'am.
Yes. What happened? When you are unmuting yourself, wait for a second and then speak, because as soon as you are unmuting yourself and speaking out, the voice frequency goes. Yes, I'm not able to hear you all. Quick, guys, quick, fast. I have to take another batch. Quick. And here, here, take another. And here you can write BOARD, board, and driver. Okay, board driver. And here what you have to do, you have to create the object with different constructor. So first we can take BOARD. Should be capital. Okay. And then you can take B1 is equal to new BOARD board. And first I will take only the color. So I can take white. Okay. And then what you can do, you can print B1 dot, and what is the function name? Board details. Yeah. Board details. Okay. Check how it works. Okay. And then again, you can do the same thing. Control C, Control V, but you add here also the price. So just price, add 2000. Okay. And then you make it B2. Of course, change the reference variable. Otherwise, okay. And then you can write again, you can take the no argument constructor, change the reference variable here. Okay. Okay. And then again, I will take one more where I will give some other color like red. Okay. And then your brand name. So you give any brand name. Okay. Any brand name, and you give any price, suppose 394. So this way, use all the constructor and see what you are getting the answer. Take the screenshot quickly. I have one more class. I have to leave. Okay. And I was really impressed because half of the class was there when I joined. Good. Done, all of you? Yes? Should I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, good, everyone. So yes,
Yes,
have your
ma'am.
breakfast and thank you for coming on time. And please wait for me, okay? If I might join by 7:35. Okay, it won't be late. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Please revise everything. Please revise everything. Tomorrow we will be doing constructor chaining. And if you won't understand this constructor overloading, you won't be able to understand constructor chaining. So please practice all the programs. These are very interesting chapters. Please do all the programs. Bye, everyone. Take care.